Testimony is now underway in the burglary trial of Minnesota DFL Senator Nicole Mitchell. Thank you for being with us tonight. I'm Brock Burgee.
And I'm Caitlin Alexander. Mitchell is charged with first-degree burglary and possession of burglary tools after allegedly breaking into her stepmother's home in April 2024. KTTC's Megan Zempel listened to that testimony today, and she joins us now live in the studio with the latest. Megan.
Hi, Brock and Caitlin. The prosecution says this is clearly a case of burglary and that the jury should look at the evidence, which includes body camera footage, which we did see today in court. The defense says this all comes down to intent, which it says was not criminal. It says Mitchell was concerned for her stepmother, who has Alzheimer's, and she was checking in on her. Opening statements and testimony got underway Tuesday in DFL Senator Nicole Mitchell's burglary trial. Mitchell is charged with first-degree burglary and possession of burglary tools after allegedly breaking into her stepmother's home in Detroit Lakes on April 22, 2024. Mitchell told police she wanted some mementos that belonged to her late father, including his ashes. Body camera video shown in court shows the moments officers responded to Mitchell's stepmother's house to discover Mitchell in her basement.
Stole documents out of the house. She's my stepdaughter. I didn't steal any documents. How did I steal documents?
The prosecution making its case in its opening statement.
But grief and frustration do not justify burglary. Use your common sense and good judgment as you listen to the evidence throughout this case.
Next, it was the defense's turn.
What matters for burglary is that they got in without permission and they intended to commit a crime inside the building. Unless the state's evidence can rule out that Nicole Mitchell entered just to check on Carol Mitchell, then the verdict must be not guilty.
An officer first on the scene testifying to his interaction with Mitchell.
She left her house in Woodbury at 1 a.m. to come to the residence in Detroit Lakes to get some of her father's items. Ashes, a flannel shirt, and other mementos, she said.
Body camera video showing some of the exchange.
She's gotten paranoid and thinks we're all out to get her and won't let anyone in the house. And I just wanted to get a couple of my dad's mementos. And that's all.
And Mitchell is expected to testify in her own defense. Mitchell represents the Woodbury area east of the Twin Cities. The DFLer is in her first term. We'll continue to follow this trial in court. Reporting live in the studio, Megan Zempel, KTTC News.